quick combination, Mike Tyson peekaboo style. Yeah, first stage. Hop to the right, hop to the left. Right, left, right, left. Yeah? So, second stage, when you're hopping left to right, you're going to strike at the same time. So make sure you hop once, hop, first hop, second hop, third hop, strike. I'm going to demonstrate. Hop, hop, hop. Yeah? You don't have to strike on the third one. You can strike on the first one, second one, or the fourth one. Whichever one you can strike on. So first stage, hop, 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 hop. Okay. And then second stage, hop, strike. Hop, hop, strike. Okay, what that does, yeah, it gives you power and speed at the same time. That momentum, when you hop, it gives you speed, and when you throw the punch, behind that speed there's going to be power. Okay? So what you do, be very careful with MMA fighters, kickboxers and Muay Thai boxers. Muay Thai fighters. What happens when they see somebody going down low, where we go and get our power from, we have to go down low a bit to get that power, yeah? Generate power from the legs. So, boom, boom. What they do, they could either lift the knee or a little kick, that will definitely catch you. Maybe knock you out. It has happened to me. They caught me when I done that. It's only because I overdone it. So when I overdone it, they read my body. And when they did read it, they just picked the leg up or the knee and they caught me like that. So don't overdo it. Do it when it's necessary to do it, and when you know you're gonna catch them. And it does catch everybody, yeah? But don't overdo it. So again, hop, first stage, hop, hop. Second stage, hop, 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 strike. Yeah? On the third one you strike. You can strike on the second or the first one, yeah? But to get the understanding, I'll go for the third one, okay? I'll strike at the third one. Okay, so be careful what I said with all the other fighters and don't overdo it. A quick demonstration. See that? I came closer, look. Boom, boom, boom. Hit my right now. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. So try that. You'll definitely catch them and don't overdo it. Good luck.